Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your OnePlus read any website out loud. If you have a OnePlus phone or a tablet, you can make it read a website out loud, and to do it you'll need to have a smart bar enabled. By default it is enabled. You'll see this little bar right here. Once you swipe it to the center, you'll open some tools. If you don't have this bar, go to the settings, then go to accessibility and convenience, and you'll find smart sidebar. It has to be enabled. You can adjust the floating bar so it actually looks like you want it to. The floating bar is this bar once the smart bar is closed, and also smart functions need to be enabled in order to for the AI speak to work, because that's the tool we're gonna use to read a website out loud. Now let's go to any website at all. And you can see there's a website. Maybe let's select something else, because I can see that this didn't really have any content to read, but here is something to read, right? So let's open the smart bar and click on AI Speak. Now it'll scan the website and give you the AI Speak. You can see it starts reading. You can simply skip to next paragraph. You can play, pause, replay. You can also change the speed to 0.5, normal, 1.5 or 2.0, and you can change female or male. Let's set male now.
Crystal Palace have reached a 47
and
million
you can close it.
to sign.
Then it'll still be there, so you can read along with it, and you can close it with the X button. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.